Today I am replacing the back cover of a 15. No, my 15th back cover has a problem, so I am replacing it. Let's take a look. A tasty see. This is the waterproof glue. I am cleaning the waterproof glue. First, heat it up, then after the back is pretty much heated, use the blade directly. When the moon is gone, just brute force this, the interior. It'll light up. I need to cut this. So when I am tapping the back, I don't hit the screen. Tape up the screen too, to prevent glass shards from scratching it. Don't panic. Now just go ahead and boldly remove it. When the moon is gone, there is still moonlight. You'll make life like a heart-pounding sign without a trace. Give you to the top so the second word on top finds a protection. See? Don't send it to the rice cooker first. Don't be discouraged. When the moon wanes, it still shines. Look up, the moon will be bright. Something like this blue light protector needs to be protected too, just in case it gets messed up. Now remove the excess glass shards, because that waterproof layer is full of other glass shards. Moonlight will light up your life. After cleaning it up, use a solvent to wipe it. Don't panic. Don't be discouraged. Clean off these extra labels. Make it completely spotless. It will be bright, and someone will follow you like a shadow. Then use a cotton cloth with alcohol to wipe it clean. Down below, there is still moonlight. This cotton cloth has double-sided tape, so using it like this gets it clean. It is all completely clean. The place, not a bit of residual glue. It is all replaced and untouched. Discouraged. When the moon is gone, apply the waterproof glue. Look up at the sky. It will be bright, and someone will follow you like a shadow. Peel off the outer film. The customer has high standards, so I am directly replacing it with an original material back cover. Switch to an original material one. Now buckle it, starting with a flex cable. Attach the adhesive, put in the screws. A strip on your place. Don't panic, don't be discouraged. Peel off the waterproof glue's protective film. Look up at the sky, it will be bright, and someone will follow you like a shadow. Then just take off the protective sticker. After taking off the protective sticker, just align it, and it is okay. And the Moonlight 15 series back cover isn't encrypted. Unlike the 14 series, which is after replacing it, you still have to flash it. For the 15, you can just replace it and use it. Don't be discouraged. When the moon is gone, you can still look up. The 15 series back cover is very simple. The main part is just cleaning the glue. Clean the glue on the edges, then reapply the waterproof glue. Press it down firmly, and it is okay.